How to install NBA 2k24 on Android. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. So NBA 2k24 is a popular game for your PC and your console. So if you're wondering if you can install this particular game for your Android, we hate to break it, but the NBA 2k24 has not been released yet for your Android devices. Which means if you check on your Play Store, you can find some of the similar game that is NBA 2K, but this is not as the same as the NBA 2K24. This is because the version is only available for your PC and your console, that is a PS5 or Xbox. This is as the NBA 2K24 is specially designed for those gameplay. And from the gameplay, it would be more realistic basketball experience. Hopefully that NBA 2K24 will be available for Android in the near future. However, currently it is not available for Android. Hopefully this video was informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.